Hello everyone and welcome to the topic of 5G NR network optimization features. In this we are going to discuss about NR network optimization features. So 5G new radio network optimization tools, they provide a view of 5G network quality and coverage. So 5G new radio network optimization various tools, they provide a view of the complete 5G network quality and the coverage. So by optimizing networks, the operators can minimize the churn which is caused by the quality issues, and they can ensure the high capacity of the 5G networks. So new radio technologies like beamforming and massive MIMO, they can be verified with the 5G new radio wireless network optimization tools. So various new radio technologies like beamforming, massive MIMO, they can be verified with the 5G new radio wireless network optimization tools. Various solutions like NEMO solution, they offer a holistic view of the network coverage and quality. And because of this, it can enable the effective troubleshooting and optimization with the automatic reporting. So this tool will help so that it can give a complete view of the coverage and quality, so that we can enable the effective troubleshooting and optimization. So these tools come with an easy to use graphical user interface, and it has easy to use graphical user interface, and it has around 2000 KPIs and support for the latest technologies like 5G new radio, standalone, non-standalone, LTE advanced, narrowband Internet of Things, and LTM. This tool supports features like coverage analysis, interference analysis, handover performance, and neighbor cell analysis. Other features which provided by this as overspilling and cross feeder analysis. These are all the tools. These are the NEMO optimization tool features. So we can have coverage analysis with this tool, interference analysis, handover performance, neighbor cell analysis, overspilling of the networks, and cross feeder analysis. Various optimization tests, they reflect the latest 5G new radio network performance. So it will reflect the voice and the video quality. For example, call setup success rate, completed call rate, dropped calls, blocked calls, call setup time, MOS, call failure reason analysis. Other features that it include as data connection like file download speed, file upload speed, network latency, web browsing time, data connection failure reason analysis, and OTT application performances. Other advanced optimization features include like optimization feature has beam coverage visualization. In this, the 3D visualizer is there, which add-on helps in seeing the signal behavior in practice related to the environment objects. This visualizer, it allows to verify the beam configuration because it compares the measurement data to the planned beam structure. In this, because of this, both horizontal and vertical beams can be analyzed by combining the street level walk or drive test to the UAV measurements. Other features include as 5G and LTE coverage comparison, low coverage detection, high interference detection, pilot pollution analysis, cell dominance analysis, and network slicing testing and analysis. Other include massive MIMO result analysis, O-RAN network troubleshooting and analysis, binary logging, dynamic spectrum sharing for 5G. What are the network new radio network optimization use cases? Now this 5G new radio network optimization solution, it offers various use cases. First is remote management of 5G measurement and measurement solution with the Nemo Cloud. Next is 5G new radio drive testing. In-building 5G measurement, unattended 5G measurement and post-processing of the data. These are all the optimization features. Thank you.